that's for the video. So WhatsApp has a lot of features, so just check in the comment section. I've compiled a lot of features that you can just use on WhatsApp. Okay, so just check in the comment section for that video to just look at some of the best features that you can also use as well. So let's start with this. Let's go and let me show you how to do it on your device. Okay, it's very simple, but don't forget to like the video and also follow us for more videos and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's start with this. Let's go. So let's say I want to send a voice note. I'll just tap and hold and then drag it at the top to lock it. After locking it, you can see we have the view once right here. Just tap on this to just activate it. After activating, you just send and it will just go as view once at the top right here. Okay, so you can see it here. So this is how you can just send a voice note as view once. Okay, so this one, for you to just get it, first update your WhatsApp in 2024. Update your WhatsApp before you get this feature in your phone. So thanks for watching. Check in the comment section, check on the screen, and like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay alive and bye for now.